Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the platform Tinkercad, how to use it and how to start with it. So let's go to the platform. I'm just going to open the new tab here and I'm going to write here Tinkercad. It is going to take me to the website that is tinkercad.com. From here I need to sign up or log in. It's very easy to sign up. You are just going to click. You can choose here as you are a student or an educator. You can just click on it, or you can create your personal account as well. Okay, so if you are in a school that is using Autodesk Tinkercad, you can register here as educator or a student. Okay, right? If I am I am going to create a personal account, and it can ask me, I can sign up with my email, my Google or my Apple. But I do have my account here. I'm just going to click on it, sign up with Google because I have my account with the Google. So it is going to ask me which account is that, and it is going to take me to direct my account that is here. I can just register with my email. Okay, in the home tab we have all the things we can do here, and we also can see the programs, the projects we have created, and we do have here code blocks, templates. We do have some of the templates in 3D designs as well. Okay, so when I'm going to create, it is going to ask me, do I want a 3D design for 3D printing as well, or a circuit or code blocks. So what we use here, we are using the circuits. I'm going to show you about all the other tabs as well here. The classes. If you are registered here as a student, you can join a class. It is going to ask for a link the teacher has shared with you, or you can transfer your join designs from here as well. You can see the designs you have created here. All the designs, they may be 3D circuits or code blocks, they are going to be shown here. Collections, you can create a collection. I can create different kind of collections here. So I have tutorials here as well. If you can have some of the tutorials, if you want to learn something, there are many tutorials here. You can see all of them. Okay, you can create the 3D designs here. That's what we are not learning here. And you can also go back and see the circuit designs here. These are the circuit design. That's what we are going to learn all about these things here. So they have their own custom tutorials. You can learn from them a little bit by bit. So going back, and we have some challenges. If you can create some challenges, and you can add them here as your challenge. We are going to learn about these things as well. Most of the time we are going to stay at the home and in the circuits. I'm going to create a circuit from here, or I can just choose any circuit I want that I was working on. I'm going to use it, tinker this. So it is going to open that project for me that we created last time. Now let's see the interface of this place. I'm just going to delete all of these. I can just click on it, delete it, and wire connected to it will be deleted by itself. So first of all, in the top it says Tinkercad. You can see this shiny keyring. This is the name of your project. You can change it as project 1. You can name it as you like. Okay, so the name has changed. And here are some things to edit. We can choose something and we can edit from here. These are some of the components that we are going to use in our electronics circuits or in our robotics. We have some basic components here. Then we have Arduino components. We have, I'm going to click on Arduino and you can see all the Arduino projects are here. Then we have microbit, and these are the things we can use in our microbits. We are going to learn all these things one by one. Circuit assemblies, some of these are here, and if I'm going to click on all, everything is going to be shown here. So first of all, I'm going to stick on the basics. So these are the basic components of electronics that we are going to learn first of all. Okay, the next thing is that I am just going to take this resistor, this LED, I can connect it directly to it, and this 9-volt battery. From here, I can rotate it. I can, you can see the positive and negative. I can make it face other side. Okay, I can connect it directly to it, and if I cannot connect it directly here, so I am just going to click here. It is going to start making a wire for me, and I am going to connect it to it. So my circuit is complete. So if I am going to start simulation, it is going to simulate and make my light lit. Okay, so my circuit flow is on now. I can start this simulation from here as well, and if I want to see the code, I can see the codes here, what we are going to write here, the codes. We are going to learn this when we are going to use some programming here. Okay, so this wire, this is green at the time. I want to change the color. Let's say I want it red. It is red now. I can move my components wherever I want. I'm just going to click it and move with my mouse. Now this is not connected. I want it connected here, and I want to change the color to green. So this is green. If I want to delete it, I can delete it. If I want to copy it, paste it, it is going to paste another battery here as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get another wire. Just have to click from here it is coming, then from here. Okay, now I have two 9-volt batteries. Let's start simulations, and it has been simulated. Okay, and with this here, the simulated time is showing for how much time my simulation is going on. Okay, next thing is that if I want to put a comment on something, let's say I want to put this command, I can put a note here so I understand what is this. This is battery 2. Okay, so I have this note here to understand what is going on here. I can move it wherever I want and put it where I want. Okay, this is, I don't want to see the notes and I want to see the notes. Okay, and for example, I have turned this one now red. Let's undo it. It has turned green. Redo it. It has turned red. So that's how we can do all these things. I'm going to delete this one. What kind of wire I want? If I want clamps like that, alligator clamps, it is going to create the alligator clamps for me. Or if I want, I can delete them. It is going to delete all of it, just like a wire. Hookup, let's say I want a hookup. It has created. I'm just going to rotate it so you understand what's going on here. Okay, so this is hookup, Next we have here is automatic. If I want, I can delete it and make it automatic. Okay, you see it has automatically created something for me like this. So in real electronics, this is simulator, so it is showing me all the possibilities we can use in the real things as well. But we stay with the normal one, the normal wiring, that is the normal wiring. Okay, and that's very simple interface here. If I want to save my changes, all changes are automatically saved. Okay, and after that I want to just close it down. Let's go back to the projects, and you can see this project we created is showing here. I can reopen it whenever I want. That's all for today. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.